G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, materials wetted. As you can see by the stone, the light's reflecting off it. We'll go a bit closer. Okay, I've gone a bit closer. The first piece, some lines of colour through it. Second piece, typical piece of Koroit material, beautiful pattern with a band around there. This is the outside of the stone, so it's worthwhile grinding this off first and see what sort of pattern you get. You can see here the banding, so you might end up with some quite pretty and nice material. Or polish this side, or slice it and then go for a piece on the back. It's another alternative. Another piece here, slice this up, honeycomb sort of pattern. Does have some purple hues, but not a lot of colour from what I can see there. The purple showing there on the corner. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.